Hey, guess what? I don't want to say I told you so, but there's a lot of people out there that just didn't want to listen. So about a year ago, I made a video. Matter of fact, I made it on December 17th, 2021. And it was titled Snaky Effers. 4.7 million views, 412,000 likes, 9,725 comments, and 131,000 shares. Now, most of the comments were, "You don't know what you're talking about. I looked this up. You're full of crap. This is misinformation. You're a liar." Well, apparently I wasn't. So now, for your viewing pleasure, I'm going to throw this video up and we'll just see what you have to say. So much for that side hustle. Hey guys, breaking news. For the people who don't pay attention, did you know that starting on January 1st, our sneaky little fucking politicians snuck this one in on us? It's a new tax law. It's going through the IRS, and they just love it because, yeah, as of January 1st, they're going to start issuing 1099-Ks. What is that, you say? Well, that's the same thing as income. Yeah, it's like a W-2 almost. Yeah, so basically, if you take in over $600 on Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle, any of those apps, it's considered income. Here's the real stick in the ass. You go out, you buy yourself a nice couch. 6 months later, you see one you really like, and you buy that couch and sell your old couch on Zelle for like $600. Well, guess what? Whether you sold it for $10 or $50 or $600, and you use one of those stupid apps instead of getting cash, that's now considered income. Wait a minute. You weren't allowed to write off your couch as a business expense to start with, were you? No, you weren't. That's how they're gonna fuck you. I hope you liked it. Ha ha ha, that's right. I frickin' told you so. Till the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.